In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send a plain text email in Mailchimp. So start by logging into your account, then next in the left panel, click on the Create button, then click on Email dropdown and select Plain Text. So here, start by adding your email name and press the Begin button. So now to proceed, select the subscribers or your audience to whom you want to send this plain text email. So you can choose your entire audience or a specific segment or tag or just a specific group or new segment. Then press the next button. So here, basically fill out your campaign info such as campaign name, email subject, preview text, from name, and email address, and also modify some settings about your email. Once done, press next. So now here, start writing your email message using simple text, no images, buttons, or formatting. In the right panel, you can also enter the content of your email and you can actually add this merge tag codes even if you're constructing a plain text email. So here you can see a merge tag sheet or cheat sheet that you can use and add to your plain text email. And once done, press the next button. Now, lastly, add your subject line, preview your email, and of course, try sending a test email to see that everything looks good. Once done, click on Send to send your email immediately or schedule if you want to send this email on a later date. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!